So, today, this tape is pretty much, it's not 100%, but it's pretty much guaranteed to be from customs. They don't like stuff coming from China. Some things they will actively destroy, like my still. Not because it's illegal, but because they don't want you buying stuff from China unless it comes in via America. This little thing, I'm not sure which one this is. I've got a couple of things on order. Well, hey, oh, my charger. Okie. Very simple, just a battery charger. But the batteries, them big batteries. I'll get a comparison. 1 second. This is a AA battery. Just to give you an idea, as a standard AA battery, this is a motherfucker. This is a 3.7 volt battery. So that's two lithium ion is lithium ion ionized batteries, 3.7. So yeah, your standard AA, you know, your big AA batteries, and your fuck you bitch. I'm a little bit annoyed it's black, but then it is a lot bigger than. Anyway, so that is going to be for my laser experiments and my arc generator experiments. At the moment, I'm using my 5 volt battery, which is basically two 2.5 volt batteries, rechargeable, which is great, it does the job, but don't slice the batteries. I'm not going to charge these up. They should be slightly part charged, but yeah, so you have to have a special charger for these because they're so fucking big. There's no point trying to stick it inside a white school where you have to have a big black. Anyway, there. So right, so that is basically. Oh great, motherfucker, come back. Didn't like having a black one shoved inside it, did she? There we go. So you've got your percentage levels. Oh, it charges other types. So it tells you the percentage chart. It's a USB-C as well. I just make sure it does work, actually. Yep, that works. Okay, both batteries are at 75% charge, because it tells you how much charge is actually in the battery, and like flash when it's actually charging. So it does work. They have 3/4 charge, just to extra make sure it is actually working. Yep, I just checked on my arc generator, my stun gun. Sorry, it's not a stun gun. It's an arc generator for scientific experiments, not a stun gun. Fucking good stun gun. So that is going to be for my. I do like that you can charge different sizes, because that's your 3.6, 3.2, 3.9. I mean, these are 3.7, but right. So I can do it to 4.2. That's very, very handy to know. So yeah, battery charger. So what I'm thinking about doing is using my little step-up booster generator thingy and have that, but 2 of them, and have, ta-da! Basically, instead of having a 5 volt going in, I'm going to have a 7.4 volt going in, which should give me 25,000 kilowatts, 2.5 million watts, roughly, you know. So yeah, that's my latest little thing. I'll do the usual. That's all right. Yeah, I'll do the usual thing. I'll put the prices up, what I pay. The prices vary on AliExpress. They always give you a discount, no matter what you do, but the discount can vary minute to minute. The best example of that was the still that I bought. And when I started buying it, it was 300 and something pounds. By the time I clicked on I want to buy it, and I got to the checkout, and I got to pay for it, where's that black stuff coming from? Don't tell me the batteries are. Anyway, by the time I got to the checkout, it was like 80 quid less. I ended up paying, I think it was 240. I think I ended up paying 240 quid for the still. It was nearly £100 cheaper just between going from buying it to paying for it, because you get constant discounts that they don't tell you about. Yeah, no fucker in NATO would do that. Anyway, so that's the battery charger. Lovely. And no instructions. You don't need instructions. Oh, ladies, bit of advice for you. If modern bras are designed to make your tits saggy, okay, they make the straps thinner so you don't have it tight, so your boobs end up around your ankles. If you get a bit of this corrugated cardboard, cut a bit off, shove it up under your bra strap, like that, it will redistribute the weight, and that way your bra can actually hold your baps up. Okay? All part of the agenda, destroy girls' tits at as young an age as possible so they can nonce on children. Ta-da! Battery charger. Oh, if you're hearing my bollocks about, global genocide and shit, you can go to rumble.com, news, social, commentary. Bye! Alright, just to give you an actual demonstration so you can see the battery does work, even though it's got 3/4 charge. I'm just going to push it up against that wire. When you work just now, get in there. I don't want to start stripping wires to attach stuff. So yeah, battery good. It's actually more powerful than the 5 volt, because even though this is a 5 volt, wow, that's warm. It's actually a higher ampage on those small batteries than on this one. Wait, excuse me. So it's actually more powerful using the 3.7 than using the 5 volt. See, it's not always the voltage, it's the ampage. So just to clarify, the other battery I've got, the 5 volt, is a 18650, whereas this one is a 19900. Whichever way around the camera's working. So because it's got that extra 1000 milliamps, it's a lot more powerful. And in theory, that should be powerful enough to have a bit more fun. Stick a bit of tissue on there. But it's nice to have a bit of fun, Bearing in mind it's not a fully charged battery, and my fingers are going to absorb a certain amount of the charge. That is smoking. It doesn't quite have the ampage to ignite it instantly, but it's not bloody far off. La la la.